Hey guys, I'm Mitch, and in this video we're going to go over what BungeeCord is and how BungeeCord works. So we're not going to go over how to set up or install BungeeCord in this video, but if you're new to BungeeCord, then this should be the first video you watch before going any further. There's a lot of confusion and misconceptions with BungeeCord, so the goal of this video is to clear those up and explain exactly how BungeeCord works. We have this article on our website which explains everything, and that's what we're going through in this video. So BungeeCord is a server type for Minecraft that lets you connect multiple servers together. So this means that you can switch between your servers without having to disconnect and then connect through a new IP. The way it works is it's a proxy server, so essentially what that means is BungeeCord pretends to be a Minecraft server even though it isn't. So you connect to BungeeCord and then you might have a network of 3 other servers and it will forward you to one of those servers. The biggest thing people get confused about is they think BungeeCord is a plugin, but it's not. It runs as a separate server type in the same way that Spigot and CraftBukkit and Forge and Vanilla do. It's a completely separate server software, and it actually isn't Minecraft software at all. And because it's completely separate software, it cannot run plugins for Spigot or CraftBukkit. BungeeCord can run plugins, but they have to be developed specifically for BungeeCord. So because it's not Minecraft software, it's not going to be able to run any worlds or players. All it's going to do is route your traffic to one of the Minecraft servers. So if you have a BungeeCord server running by itself, but no Minecraft servers, you're actually just going to get disconnected because there's nothing for you to connect to. BungeeCord requires a minimum of 3 servers. So you'll have the 2 or more servers that you want to connect together, plus 1 more server that runs the BungeeCord software. And remember that BungeeCord, all it's going to do is redirect the traffic. It's not going to host any players itself, so it can't be a hub or a lobby server. If you do want to run a hub or lobby server, then you'll need an additional Minecraft server to do this. This diagram shows the structure of a BungeeCord network. So you'll see that the players here connect to the BungeeCord server, which is a proxy, and then this is going to redirect the player immediately to one of the Minecraft servers in the network. So for most networks that's going to be like a hub or lobby server, but it doesn't have to be. So if you've only got, for example, 2 servers, maybe you've got a mini games and a faction server, you could set the faction server as the default server and not have a hub at all. So a good way to think about this is you would build your regular network with all of the servers you want, and then add a BungeeCord server in front of it, which is just going to be a proxy. So remember, all it does is connects your servers and lets players switch between them. It's not a Minecraft server itself, but the players will connect to the BungeeCord server instead, which will then forward their connection to one of the Minecraft servers in the network. And of course, once players are connected to the server, they can switch with a command, or you can set up something like portals where players can enter and it will switch them to a new server. And that covers everything about BungeeCord that you need to know to get started. So if you think that BungeeCord is going to be the right setup for you, then go ahead to our next video where we'll explain how to set up and configure BungeeCord. If you're hosted with Shockbyte, it's really easy. We've got an automatic installer and we do recommend that process. But if you're not hosted with us, then we'll explain how to do it manually as well. With Shockbyte, you can scale from hundreds to tens of thousands of players, so we can support networks of any size. And if you have any questions about BungeeCord, about how it works or the installation or anything at all, just leave them in the comments down below. You can also come to our website and contact our live support, which is 24/7. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.